Hey all, my name's Clarissa and welcome to ASL for Beginners. Welcome back ASLers. Here we go again, episode 2. All right, here we are today. We're gonna learn about some family signs. That way you can communicate with your family about other families and about other families' drama. Here we go, starting now. Let's establish something real quick. Your face is cut in half. The upper part is male, bottom half is female. Let me show you an example. Let's do man. So man starts with the number 5 on your forehead, coming down to your chest. Woman is coming from your middle of your chin down to the middle of your chest. Do you see the difference in man and woman? This is important because if you have the same sign but different genders, this will help clarify which is which. Let's continue on. Let's start picking up some family signs. So first we have dad. Starts right in the middle of your forehead. Mom, middle of your chin. Let's do boy. Boy is like you have a baseball cap on your head. Girl is if you're putting makeup on your cheek. Word of the day is home. Start with an O, to your chin, to your cheek. Home. Awesome, guys. Let me tell you a little bit about my family so you can learn a little more about me. So sometimes we use numbers to show how many people are in our families. So I have 4 people in my family. I have my dad, my mom, my sister, and the best, me. Awesome, guys. We're going to continue on to basic needs because these are going to help you all the time. So let's go with needs. Start with your X and shake it for your need. First, we have help. Number 5 and your thumb. Help! Help! As you can see, I'm pretty desperate. Or you just need help. Bathroom starts out with a T, and you shake it for toilet. I gotta go to the bathroom. Really bad. Let's do hungry. Start with the letter C. Start by your collarbones and draw it down depending on how hungry you are. Wrist tip number 11. Even though some deaf people can read lips, a lot of them can't. Don't talk to them like this. Guess what? My friend Rachel is back in the building. What's up, girl? We are going to have a conversation about family. And we'll get to know Rachel a little bit better. So, Rachel, your family's where? All right, guys, moving on. Here's a hard one. Anybody? It's your great grandma. Oh, guys, that was rough. But if you didn't get all of them right, I'm really disappointed in you and we can no longer be friends. So I watched the video so we can be besties.